Working on the cow dog today. Just kind of bouncing around between vehicles. So, still supposed to hit 90 a day, but it was only down to 70 this morning. I mean, yeah, it went all the way down to 70 this morning. So we're almost cold here. And for months, the AC has been cold temperature-wise, but I'm just not feeling it. I'm not getting anything out the vents in my face. And I noticed there was a lot was coming out at the floor. So it's either a vacuum problem or I'm going to show you, I'm going to bring it in closer and show you the plastic version of this piece right here, which officially is called a Universal AC Heater Box Blend fitting. GM makes these plastic. And it's not just square body trucks. Pretty much everything from the 70s and 80s made by GM had these stupid little plastic pieces that break. I put a brand new one on when I rebuilt the heater box when I built the truck back 9 years ago. I suspected this was the problem. And it was one of those, I gotta pull all this apart to get to it. It's not that bad. You pull the glove box. I'll show you what I pulled. It's not that bad. But I don't want to put another plastic on it and have it break. And on CK5, ColoradoK5.com, somebody was talking about people were showing aluminum ones of these. Sure enough, I found one on Amazon. I'll put a link in my description. I think it was $11 or $12. And so I put a link in the description. I'm a member of the Amazon affiliate program, which means if you follow my link, buy something, you pay the same price you would otherwise. I get a small percentage. If you do that, thanks for the support. Anyway, I ordered this some time ago, and it's just now, in my opinion, cool enough to be putting myself underneath here to mess with all this. I pulled it apart. Sure enough, what I found, the plastic piece was broken. I'm going to show you that. So let me show you what this piece is. What your feet kick when you're in here. It's just 2 screws and a little metal clip there. This is what attaches the piece that goes under the steering column and goes over to your left knee vent. That goes onto here. This is where this one, and the one above the instrument control panel, the air comes from there. So I pulled that off, and let me show you what else I got off of here. Obviously in the glove box. Glove box is just, what are these? 9/32. That's what mine is. Who knows what yours are? Glove box. That's the under the steering column piece. Yeah, let me turn the light on. If it starts flashing, I apologize. Okay. Broken plastic piece right there. That's my problem. And by fixing that, because that was a new one. When I built the truck, 30,000 miles, 8 years, it broke. Hopefully the aluminum piece will not break on me. And yes, I had duct tape all around here because I was thinking, oh, why am I not getting enough flow? I can feel cool air every now and then. There's the clip that the top of this piece right there goes. You can see the rust marks on the plastic. Goes into that and 2 screws in the bottom. 1, 2 screws. So if you're getting AC and you got on vent out the floor vents, pull it apart and check that. Oh yeah. This piece here, this is the hose on the right is for this vent, and this housing here, that screw hole right there screws into this on this piece, and that goes to that vent and then that vent. So yes, I'm going to replace that. Hopefully I'll have good AC again. But Camaros, Monte Carlos, any GM vehicle from the 70s and 80s has this stupid plastic piece. And if it's not going if you're not getting enough airflow that you think I should have more air, get to it and check that part. So thanks for watching.